Commercial Car Wash Vacuum Cleaner Reviews 2016. Vacuum cleaner is one of the most important devices of this modern era. People who own a home or a car try to own a vacuum cleaner, too. Car vacuum cleaner is so important for car owners. If you want to keep your car interior clean and looks like brand new, then you must have a vacuum cleaner. There are many good car vacuum cleaners. In this presentation you will see the review of top 10 commercial car wash vacuum cleaners. Number 1. Black & Decker AutoCavit Vac PAV 1200W. Advantages: it has good suction power, great portability. It also have good set of attachments. The main advantage is it has an adjustable nozzle. Disadvantages: it can't handle wet spills. Price: $43.98. Number 2. Metropolitan DM6BS 500. Advantages: it has a very strong suction power. It has a crevice, brush and white nozzle tool with it. Disadvantages: this vacuum cleaner must be plugged into a wall socket for using. Price: $64.99. Number 3. Dirt Devil Extreme Powered M091. Advantages: it has one of the best suction. It is lightweighted and portable also. Disadvantages: it does not have any hose. Price: $44.56. Number 4. CARRAND AutoVac 94005 AS. Advantages: it has flexible hose. It comes with good attachment set. Disadvantages: suction is not up to the mark. Price: $47.99. Number 5. Black & Decker Dust Buster AV 1500. Advantages: it gives great performance in car vacuuming. Simple and portable design make it to the list. It is very cheap also. Disadvantages: it does not have good attachments. Price: $19.99. Number 6. Hoover Air BH 52160 PC. Advantages: it has washable filter. It is also powerful and has great portability. Disadvantages: does not create a perfect impression, though it is good. Price: $79. Number 7. Metrovac & Co HI Performance AM6B. Advantages: it has tiny size but still powerful. Disadvantages: it has classic vacuum bags. Price: $95.08. Armor All Card. Number 8. Armor All Card Vac Arm AA12V1. Advantages: it has water suction, which is rare in car vacuum cleaners. Disadvantages: bad performance. Price: $19.97. Number 9. VAPAM or Mr. 50. Advantages: it has lifetime warranty. It is best for liquid messes. Disadvantages: it is heavy. It has short wire cord. Price: $149. Number 10. Car and Driver Portable Vacuum C13004. Advantages: good for regular light cleaning as it is small in size. Disadvantages: bad performance than other models in the list. Price: $16.